Your new TV, DVD player, or gaming console only has an optical audio output, but your sound system, amplifier, or headphones only accept analog input. Sound like a problem, right? Don't worry, this video is your solution. I'll show you how to convert digital optical audio to analog easily without buying a new sound system or headphones. Just watch till the end. Hey everyone, welcome to Dr. Tech Pro channel. My new TV, Samsung, have a only audio optical output. As you can see, come here. As you can see here, this is optical audio output from my TV. But my headphones, as you can see, only input is analog audio, or for example, your audio system doesn't have an optical input. It's a problem? No optical? No problem. Buy this device, digital to analog audio converter. I show you how work this device. First, unbox and look at this. This is a digital to analog audio converter. Also this model, audio converter, digital to analog. Okay, that's good, you can see. But today I show you how work this model. If you need this device, link for buy in description. As you can see, this model have a TOSLINK or optical port input, optical or coaxial. Here coaxial, here DC 5 volt for power supply. For power supply you can use this cable in pack, USB, and here for power supply. And here output is aux or AV, left and right output analog. Let's try test and show you how to work. In pack you have a one optical cable. You can see optical audio cable. User manual for helping you for connection diagram. Here also you can see here connection diagram. Okay, let's try and test. First you need powering with the USB port in TV or normal charger mobile. I try use USB port from my TV. Come here. Okay, that's good. Okay, I put the USB port here from my TV. As you can see, LED is turn it on. Okay, my friend, now we need a optical digital cable. Remove this, connect here TOSLINK input. Now we need connect this to audio optical output from TV. Put this connector here, audio output optical. As you can see, audio optical is red here. That's good. Again, put here. Okay, my friend, for connect the output analog from here, aux output analog to my headphone. As you can see, my headphone input is aux here. For other example, if your home system or a speaker have a analog input, you can use RCA cable for analog input, white and red here. That's good, and you can connect here for audio output analog from this device. Before I said very important tips for format audio output, please subscribe Dr. Tech Pro channel and like and comment opinion. This is very important. The important thing for convert optical to analog, you should change format audio system in TV. As you can see, I try change format, output, sound, select a speaker. You should change TV speaker to audio output optical. It's very important. And you need change expert settings from TV. As you can see, audio format, very important, PCM. You need change to PCM. And if you can, HDMI audio format, change to PCM.